Just run up back and nowhere and just slap him on 3-4 times.
He must know him myself. I don't know that no right. That no right at all.
I see all 100 where a nigga pull up and a man run on for him and thing. No badness.
We see a normal man come out and car wash. And they wash in car. And they do the pre-pre and the next thing you know, I see a man just run come up and start shooting.
The way how the vehicle pull up,
yeah.
It would have come like the driver up to something, you know what I mean? But by watching the video to the end, you can see that the car wash him go to get him car clean up. So I don't know what it just transpired between him and that person, if it was an enemy or would have to get in some more funny story to really clarify to see what it was all about. You know what I mean? Or is just a man just feel hype because he have been going under so and shoot a man. If you want to see better, you have to just share some love, you know what I mean? Live in love, brotherly love, because people don't really live in love anymore. You know, based only on material things people really love people for. And some of them are really genuine from the heart need the same way. You see me I say? But things can be better, you know what I mean? What we have to do is just try to put out the right message. If a man wrong, you know, say you have to just take him wrong in order to make the change come. Because you can't wrong and want to get right.
So you always respect a man no matter what. You see me? That's why we say your love goes a long way, you know. So love is the answer and I harder the day, you see me? Remember say crazy group so that Copper Zone sound, we fully bad out the road.
Follow me at Cairo Dan on YouTube and on Instagram Cairo_Dan_.
You can subscribe to my channel at It's DK and you can follow me on social media at Little DK.
Check out Azard Gaming TV, yeah. HAZARD Gaming, GAMAING TV. Subscribe to Followers Entertainment. You know a code.
Yeah man, check me on Instagram, see me as Fireball Kingdom, you know what I mean? YouTube channel, Soul Seed Music Production. You see me I say?
Subscribe to Justin Blake channel. Click the notification bell if you want to receive a notification each time a new video is published.